This part?
Yes, sir.
This part good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check on your neck here, bro. It's been because that wide strap hasn't it? Dude, that thing, your neck is feeling awesome, bro.
I'm telling you.
Yes. Was this your first chiropractor ever?
Yes, sir.
Were you a little skeptical?
Come on, you know the answer to that one.
Definitely. Yeah. But now you've seen the light, haven't you, bro?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's get you kick your feet towards that. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. All right, top here, my man.
All right.
Mm-hmm. And then chin creep. Yeah, it's kind of like that boy right there. That boy right there.
Yes, sir.
Yogi.
Body hips.
One more coming. Last one.
There we go.
Let's get you on your tummy, buddy. Face down, son. Yeah, up top is feeling buttery smooth. Yes, that is awesome. Huh? One more? Nothing's there, dude. It's amazing. Try a breath and hold here. Exhale. On your side, bro. Big man.
It's always a pleasure.
Man, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna wrap them fingers right here. Okay. Here you go. That's what's up, buddy. Yes. Are you good? Hold up top. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, she's ready, bro. She's chomping, baby. All right, right there. Drop back. Cool. Very cool. All right, bud. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lock that beautiful face in right there, bro. Yes, so good.
Yes.
That was the best one yet.
That was the best one, bro.
Man, I appreciate you.